Jim from Tank Yankers in Providence. This house has an old oil tank. It was left behind, you know, when we bought the house, it was here. Heating system's already converted to gas.
Dude, this looks like kerosene.
Oh, it's kerosene?
Yeah, because this house is so old.
This particular buyer wanted us to remove it, so we connected with Jim.
Before kerosene, there was coal. Coal, then there was kerosene, then there was oil.
Wow.
So this is actually kerosene, which is not a bad thing. I can still move it on, find a new home for it. Realtors would do sales and lease agreements or whatever, and they would ignore the old oil tank, and nobody would mind.
Yeah.
But now today, with conservation and pollution and so on and so forth, if this thing leaks all over the floor here, all the money that they've spent fixing this house up, it's gonna cost a lot more to clean this
Oh,
mess
it's
up.
bad news, I know.
That's kerosene. Home heating oil is dyed red.
Oil has got a very high ignition rate to it, because when it's going through your boiler system, in through the burner and stuff, there's electrodes there. It's 10,000 volts of electricity that hits it when it comes out of a spray nozzle. That's what combusts it. But I could literally take a cigarette and throw it in there. It would not light. Put a flame on it, probably wouldn't light. You have to have a massive spark to get it to go. On the other side of the coin, the stuff gets lit, you can't put it out.
It just burns.
Yeah, you have to have special fire extinguishers, powder fire extinguishers. You try to get a wet one in there, it's just gonna spread it around.
This is an instructional booklet for how to fly a plane. Emergency procedures condensed checklist. Landing, flaps, wing tanks, fuel system, hydraulic system. Yeah, this is an old emergency handbook.
Natural gas is more than oil, you know? So oil is making a small resurgence right now, you know, because it's just, bottom line is to get the boiler and the oil tank installed. It's cheaper than doing the gas installation, hanging the meter and all that. It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
And I think oil is gonna stay pretty steady over the next 5 to 10 years. Looking for something in, you know, the Rhode Island, Massachusetts, southern Massachusetts area, it's 401-516-8877. Jim. We're on Facebook, Tank Yankers, Rhode Island. You can look us up on Facebook or on Google, Tank Yankers, Rhode Island.